What's up, Bertini fam? Now in today's video, we're gonna be installing this new carbon fiber Ebrake boot and this custom red Alcantara cover. Look how pretty that looks. Looks so damn nice. Now do us a big favor. If you have not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our future uploads. With that being said, go ahead and roll the intro. What do you think about this Ebrake boot?
Oh, yeah, that's really cool.
It looks so much nicer, right?
It does.
I feel like this over the factory one,
It's gonna pop more for sure.
it is gonna make the interior look nicer. And then we still have the seats to do, the seats. There's still so much left to do on this project. Seems like we've done so much,
Yeah.
but yet there's still so much left to do. Anyways, let's go ahead and show you what we're gonna be doing. So that caca poo poo Ebrake boot and Ebrake handle here, which looks like crap, like all Nissan interior. It's not pretty. We're gonna be changing out with that carbon fiber one. So this thing, man, this thing is really gonna pop in here, right? Look at this.
Oh, yeah. And then it's gonna match part of the wheel, too.
Damn. Oh, that's gonna look so freaking sick. It's cool when you have a vision of something and then it actually comes out the way that you wanted it to.
Yeah.
You know? I'm excited. Now, this is a pain in the butt to remove. So I think what I'm gonna do is we should probably Dremel this off, like just cut it off. What do you think? This way we save some time.
Oh, yeah, of course. That's what I was thinking. Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
And we don't need it.
Oh.
Who needs these factory, really expensive GTR parts? Let's go and get out the Dremel, cut this out. Oh, we're gonna need the vacuum too. I just realized because we're gonna make a big old mess. I think I'm gonna have to shave after this, my mustache I've been growing out.
Almost falling off.
It's not exactly falling off. It's just kind of growing out a little weird.
Yeah.
All right, so first things first, we need to go ahead and pull off this shift knob. So let me show you how to do that. So right here, you pry down from that. That'll release this. You turn this sideways, and then let's see if we can get in here with this tool. We pop out this clip just like that. Now don't lose it. Now this just comes off. I would put the clip back in here just so you keep things nice and tidy. Next thing we need to do is pop out this trim piece right here. So it's just down here, and then the rest will just flow out just like that. And we shall do the same thing on the other side, like that. Now, with this open, don't get in there because I don't know what paraphernalia is in there. I'm just kidding, I'm just kidding. Now we need to pop this trim off right here, which this one always feels like you're breaking it, but you ain't. You know why? Because it's Nissan and it's built Ford tough. And there we go. Now we have this piece out too. Jesus. Okay. All right, well, we got that done. And then this one I always know is a pain because of the way it's clipped in. But there we go. So go grab me a Phillips screwdriver. So there's a Phillips head here that you gotta use, a Phillips screw, and then another Phillips screw right here. You gotta remove the plastic trim off of this way, which just pops out from the front here, and then from here as well, just pops right off. Then you have a nut here, a 10 millimeter and a 10 millimeter. And then now this thing will just go backwards. Well, not backwards, you'll kind of like slide it forward and then put it backwards. But that's essentially how you do it and get it all. Let's do that now. Got this unplugged here. All right, now let's get this all gun out. Okay, so to show y'all what's going on in here, so all this is a rod that's pushed into place. So essentially, this needs to go under and in, and then this backwards. So down and under, and then backwards, and then this rod is what actually holds it in place. Like,
That's not a good.
what?
Never mind.
Like this?
Oh. Yeah.
I mean, this is essentially what's happening when you pull the E-brake.
Mm-hmm.
This is what it's doing.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Now let's get this factory one out. Make sure that this is facing forward, by the way, when you install the new one, that this is facing that direction, or else you're gonna have to be pulling this whole thing back apart again. So we got it in. Let me show you the process that we used. So we went to the front first, then we went slightly over this side. Then from here, we used a small flathead screwdriver just to pry us over here. So basically like this, over, and we did it nice and slow just so we wouldn't break the plastic piece, and that's what ended up working. If you're prying on it too much, you might want to be careful. Of course, you got to gauge this yourself, but this thing came out really really freaking nice. It looks really solid. Right, Miguel?
It really does.
Cool. Now we got to do the other part of this configuration. Let me show you how to take this off, or how I'm going to take it off. You could take it off however way you want to take it off. I think the right way, whatever the right way is to take it off, is to stick some down in here, and then you stick some in here and undo some in there, and then that's kind of how it goes. But since we ain't going to be using this again, I'm just going to cut the crap out of this thing and then rip it off, make my life a lot easier. So I'm going to do it slowly and lightly, but I'm going to cut this thing off because
Where'd you have that?
I pulled it out of my butt.
Oh.
Don't judge me. Feel judged.
I'm not judging.
Let's cut this thing off. I think we still have a bit of, what do you think? That reminds me of this scene from Ace Ventura. Oh, those movies were so good. Yes, the rhino scene. So good. Hopefully it's safe to be breathing in all these bad chemicals. Don't think about it. Doesn't affect you if you don't think about it. At least that's my motto. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Oh, we got that part done. The point of no return. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna need you to vacuum. We can't film this because I need Miguel's hands. Now that we've made a complete mess, let me show you what went on here. So you guys can see the internal workings. I think you might even be able to. This thing is glued on, is what it seems like. Let me see here. Yeah, this thing is kind of glued on right there. So there isn't really a clip. It's just glued into this thing. So that's why it ain't moving. So for some reason I thought it was. This is what I didn't want to get messed up. But maybe, you know what I'm thinking? Maybe you might be able to heat this thing up and then kind of wiggle it off. What do you think, Miguel? Because it's glue. Right?
Yeah.
Or you could just do what we did, which is, and this is pretty damn easy, right? What did it take, like a minute, 2 minutes, maybe?
Not even.
Yeah, I think this is a good idea. And this thing isn't even real leather. They're cheating us. It's like a rubber. Well, it's not like a rubber, it is a rubber. Rubbery crap. All right, let's clean this up with a razor, and then we'll get the new one on here, and then get this thing all back together. What do you say, Miguel?
Dope.
Do it. Now we can confirm the factory one was glued in from this side right over here. The driver's side right there was some like super glue, maybe some epoxy kind of glue, but it was glued in. This one, I don't think we're gonna have to glue in because it's a pretty tight fitment all the way down here. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna take the mallet and just kind of lightly tap this thing all the way down to the bottom. What do you think, Miguel? Good idea, bad idea?
We can try it out.
That's true, and if it doesn't work, well, at least it's not on their car.
Very true.
All right, let's do it. Verdict! It looks good. Oh shit, forgot something almost. All the cables that we disconnected, Miguel. Oh man, that looks crazy.
Man, that thing came out nice.
Right? Oh my gosh, I'm happy with it. What about you?
It came out really good. I'm really happy with it too.
Right? Wow. Damn. That looks cool. That is so freaking nice. Wow, that like just pops. The red Alcantara with the carbon fiber, and the Alcantara with the carbon fiber is just absolutely perfect. Now we got to still do the seats, the seat belt, all the rest of the interior mods, but I think the project's coming out really nice.
Really is.
Those carbon fiber seats are going to look real sick in this car.
Carbon fiber seats?
Yes, sir. Carbon fiber seats. That's what we're doing. Surprise.
That's going to be dope.
Yep, stay tuned. Overall, I think this was a solid job. What about you?
It was.
We should go get your mom and see
Her reaction.
Yeah.
We should.
Let's go get Elsie. This boy always takes so damn long to get his mama. Oh, there you are. What?
Why?
Why what?
Why? Why do you allow this?
Or why does he allow what? What did you allow? What happened? Hold on, I want to show you something. Come here. Go to the car.
I can't take you serious with that.
What are you talking about? My mustache? Woman, I grew this out with hard work. Hard work and dedication. Open the car door.
I had to borrow your chinelas, by the way. Wow, that's nice.
So you noticed what we did already?
Yeah. The shift, not the shifter.
Yeah. Look at you, right?
Nice, yep.
Carbon fiber, red Alcantara. Tell me that thing doesn't pop so nice in there.
Of course. And it needs to be light because, you know.
Fast.
Right.
Yeah, it's high speed. Come on, babe, look at you.
All right.
You already know.
I'll talk to you when that's done.
What's that?
The thing on your head and face.
Elsie, that's disrespectful. Like those sandals.
Don't.
Why should you do stuff like that?
No.
Anyways, we think this thing came out amazing. If you're interested in picking up these parts, I'll include links in the description box below where you can pick these things up from. I got the shift boot from JD Customs, and I got the carbon fiber Ebrake handle from Amazon. I'll include a link in the description box below to which one specifically that I got. And don't forget, obviously, if you buy anything from the links that I list below or any of the links on any of my videos, you're helping support the YouTube channel and helping me buy cool glasses like these. Don't judge my glasses.
That's what I was judging.
Now listen, if you found this video either useful or entertaining, do us a big favor and
Hit that follow button. Press the subscribe button.
that was horrible. That was so bad. Hit the like button.
Oh,
Hit the like
I
button.
forgot that's a thing.
Hit or the dislike button if you think that we're just two big old dummies. With that being said, thank you.
Yeah.
Make sure, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell. This way you can stay up to date on all of our build series content. And you can see this pretty face. Now, most importantly, make sure you're putting out good energy into the world and you're paying it forward. We'll check y'all out later. Bye now.